For the right vehicle, check out the 2018 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.